Hi, this is Mason Astley with MIT PE, and I'm going to go through some basics about tennis to help introduce you to our course. The first thing is that the basic unit of measurement in tennis is shots. So every time you hit the ball, we call it a shot. And when the ball is in play, you're hitting shots until somebody makes a mistake. The next larger unit of measurement is a point, so whoever makes a mistake loses that point, the other person is the winner. There are three major ways that you can lose a point in tennis. It's easier to phrase it that way. First would be if you hit the ball out of the designated space that you're allowed to. For one-on-one competition, you use this inner sideline here. And for two-on-two competition, you use the outer sideline. So that's a single sideline and a double sideline. So if you hit it outside those lines, or if you hit it too far over the line in the back of the court, which is called the baseline, then you have made a mistake. You lose that point. The second way is if a ball bounces in your court and then bounces again. You can't let it bounce twice, so you must get it either in the air or before that second bounce.
Right back, Grace! Epic!
The third major way is a kind of a subset of the second way, which is if you hit the ball and it goes into the net. If it goes in the net, comes back to your side, you lose that point. Sure, technically you don't lose it until it bounces onto your side. So hitting the net itself isn't losing the point, because if you hit the net and it continues over, the ball is still in play. There are some other ways that you can lose points. Like, for example, you're not allowed to hit the ball twice. It could accidentally hit your racket twice, but you can't intentionally hit it twice. You also cannot touch the net with yourself or anything you wear or carry. You're also not allowed to swear like crazy. You're not allowed to yell when your opponent is about to hit the ball. Things of that nature. But those are the ways that a point is generally determined. When we're playing, we're competing, each time you win a point, you add to your score. The traditional way is that you add up points to win what we call games. A certain number of games will get you a set. A certain number of sets will win you the match, which is the biggest unit that we would be dealing with in our PE class. That's the short version, and we'll get into the details of scoring at a later date.